Here we come to the elevator at Cox Hall of the Mays Business School at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. These are ThyssenKrupp elevators installed in 2003. Indicator does not light up. This is the new wing of the Mays Business School. One and three are all burned out. High. Go to one. Oh my gosh, look at this panel. This panel is really wiggly. It's your basic elevator. High. Let's up through and get the left elevator card. This indicator works. Look in the door, high. Indicator works on this one. Go to one. And the panel is wiggling on this one as well? They really need to screw that tightly. There's your phone. It's just like the other one. I'll take for one more ride just to get a better view of the floor indicator. I could barely hear that chime out there. That one barely lights up a little bit. Alright, let's go back down that there. Bell ring? Yeah, it did. Let's go back down one end there. I don't usually take too many rides on modern type elevators. There, one. I'm gonna ring the bell. I'm so quiet. There it goes. And that's it.